M5680. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good day. I'm Rika Tidula, 32 years old. I'm single, college graduate, took a Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education, major in electrical.
And your religion?
Religion is Roman Catholic.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience being a helper here in the Philippines since 2015 to 2017, tell me about your experience as a helper on your first employer.
I am taking care of newborn baby.
Okay? And other household chores that you do?
I'm focused for the baby only.
Only. You didn't do any household chores like
Ah.
cooking, washing? No. Okay. And you have another experience also here in the Philippines
Yes.
on your second employer. Tell me about your experience as a helper.
Taking care of baby also.
2 years old.
4
And-
years old.
4 years old. Okay. And household chores that you do?
Tutoring the children and focus the baby only.
Okay, also focus. Okay. Is this the same employer?
No,
Different employer.
different.
Okay. So you're taking care of the 2 years old for 6 years.
For 6 years.
So you left the house of your employer. The baby boy was baby girl. Sorry, 8 years old, right?
Right.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby, which is 4 months old, on your first employer, if you have an idea, how do you prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
First, I will wash my hand, then wash the bottle, sterilize the bottle, then put right amount of milk in the water, warm water, then check the temperature and shake, then check the temperature and give it to the baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, check the temperature, feed the baby, maybe the baby is hungry, change the diaper, maybe it's cold.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the diaper, the temperature, and also feed the baby, everything that you have done to the baby to make it stop to cry doesn't work, what will you do?
First, I will call the parents that the baby couldn't stop from crying and what should I do?
Okay, you will ask them what should you do. Because maybe the parents know how to deal with the baby so that it could stop crying, right? Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work to Hong Kong because the Hong Kong is the safest place and high salary and I want to support my family.
And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong until my contract finish and until my employer wants me to stay.
So it is okay to you to extend your contract if your employer wants you to extend?
Yes.
So, okay, if you work in Hong Kong, it is okay to you to do all the tasks that have given to you like general cleaning, cooking, washing. It is okay with you.
Yes.
Because you don't have any experience doing household chores on your past employer. So it
Yes.
is okay to you to do all the things, also the household chores.
Yes.
Okay. Question. What will you do if there is someone outside the house of your employer's house telling that they were a visitor and they want to go inside of the house and your employer doesn't at home that day? What will you do?
I will call them first that they have a visitor.
And if your employer doesn't have any expecting visitor that day, what will you do?
I will not open the door if the visitor want to go out inside. I will call the police.
Okay, because it's too dangerous to entertain people outside of the house of your employer that your employer doesn't know, right? Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, but I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
I will watch YouTube, some cooking show, or buy menu books.
Okay. Because maybe you can learn how to watch on YouTube prepare Chinese food, and also if your employer have a time to prepare foods for themselves, for their family, you could also help them how do they prepare so that you could learn also, right? Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share jobs with a helper.
Yes.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes.
Sharing jobs with a helper.
Yes.
If your employer wants you to work on Sunday or on a holiday setup because they have a prior commitment that day, it is okay with you.
Yes.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes.
It is okay to you to take care of elderly, have them go to bed, to the bathroom, it is okay with you?
Yes.
Okay. What if your employer or one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English? It is okay to you to learn Cantonese?
Yes.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me because I'm a trustworthy, hardworking, and loyal, and I will take care of your family, and I will treat them as my family. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Reka. Thank you.